Hey you guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. Sorry I cannot show my face for safety. So here is how my other slime turned out. Can you see it? I think this can go in HD. Check if it can go in HD. But yeah, this is how I got. I added soap for some reason. I don't know why. So it is like really gooey. I just can't stop touching it. It's like you're at the store, and then you see those foam things you put under your shoe, and then it has like jelly on one side, and then you can't stop squeezing it like jelly. That's how I am with this. So, yeah, there is a mirror back of my camera to see how I am, so I don't show my face. So yeah. Oh, I don't think you can see me. But yeah. What you're gonna need is laundry detergent. Can you see it? Can you see it? No? See laundry detergent? You can use any color. You're gonna need a Ziploc bag. Sorry, I burped. You're gonna need Elmer's glue, clear. So it's just like washable clear glue. And you're gonna need a little container so you can store your slime. I'm using this little box. You can get at Walmart for like 88 cents. You're supposed to keep like clips in here. And you're going to need a mixing stick. I'm just going to use an old paintbrush because that is the only thing that I reached out and I could find. So yeah. So first, you're going to take your detergent. Put it down. Yeah. I'm going to put my slime so you can see it on camera. Maybe a bit down. Nope. No. Okay, like this. And put it in a box. Now, okay, I'm gonna move the camera. Oops. Put the toothpaste in the sink. Sorry, it's on my face. Don't look at it. Oops. Here's the slime. Well, not slime, the laundry detergent. And then now you're gonna go ahead and take your clear school glue and add some in. Let me open it. Let's see. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dump it in. Dump as much as you want. The more you add, the more gooey it gets. I want it really gooey. I'm gonna add some Elmer's not clear. I'm gonna add some Elmer's white glue and see what happens. This one is 4 flown ounce. This one costs $1 because there weren't any big size, so my mom just said to get this one because I was like, whatever. I'm gonna see what happens if you add white glue, and if it doesn't turn out good, don't use it. Like, I want your slime to get out perfect. I don't care if mine doesn't, I just want yours to be perfect. I want to see what happens when it adds white. Weird. It won't sink. That's one thing. Let's see if we can add glitter. I'm just adding whatever. So let me see if I can glitter in there. I have this glitter packet that I got at Ross for $5. I pretty much used all of it, but it still has a lot. So, what color should I make it? I'm going to use this kind of blue. And I'm going to go ahead and add some white, because white is a really cool color for me. Some yellow, because I never really add yellow to anything. And last color, there's a lot of colors, like, you know, I'm going to add purple, because I like pink too much. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it now. Ew, it feels so weird. Ew, ew. Yeah, this feels weird. Do you see that? Do you see this? Ew, it's just like goo. If you don't like it, you can go ahead and add more glue. I personally did not like how mine turned out. We're gonna have to go back to Walmart and buy more glue. You can use wood glue, I think, because we have wood glue. You can see the clear school glue sink in there. Ew, it's just like gooey. Oh, did I say you need a plastic baggie? You don't need a plastic baggie, but I recommend one. Go ahead and go to your sink and just like spill all the excess of the detergent or glue, like all the juice, all the liquid. Do not get any of the slime. See, as you can see, I don't think you want to see me. I don't have a pause button either. So if I had a pause button, it would be the best video ever. Sorry. Okay. So it looks like pretty cool when you use white glue. Can you see this? It looks really cool. Oh, I just spilled it. I'm gonna clean it. Wait. Just spill some detergent and it will go on my camera. It's gonna go on my camera. It gotta be on my camera, but it's okay. Oh, you got this on my face. I'm gonna act tall. I'm not tall. So yeah, where's my other slime? This slime is pretty cool. If you guys did not find this video useful, don't watch it, but there's still more. Go ahead and put your slime in a baggie. I ran out of the Ziploc baggie. This is fine, but I recommend using those. Or you can use any kind of bag. It doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna go ahead and stick my hand on the slime. It's like I need to put them in. Get it in the bag now. Come on, get out, get out, get out. Okay. Ew, this feels weird. No, it smelled like a lot of glue. Ew, this feels weird. Ew, this is weird. Ew. You guys, this is how it turned out. You see this? It looked weird. Yeah, I'll put it in the bag. Because I cannot just explain it. Ew. It is still really cool slime. So yeah. Okay, since I cannot move my camera anymore, I'm gonna go ahead and pop it in the fridge for like a couple of minutes, then take it out and put it in your container since I have a mess. If you guys do not find this video useful, just leave it and find another video. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, pretty much. Bye. Let me pause.